Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites, so open Settings and confirm your Windows 10 home build is 2004 or newer. If not, update first. Next, reboot to BIOS or UEFI and enable CPU virtualization. Look for Intel VTX or AMD V, then save and restart. Once done, you'll enable Windows features. Go to turn Windows features on or off and enable Windows Hypervisor Platform and Virtual Machine Platform. Make sure WSL2 is installed because Home cannot enable Hyper-V directly, but this enables Hyper-V compatible hypervisor support. Now you'll install and configure the tools that let you run Hyper-V style VMs on Home. First, install WSL2. Open PowerShell as admin and run WSL install. Then set your installed distro to WSL2 with WSL set version distro 2. Next, enable Windows Hypervisor Platform and Virtual Machine Platform from Windows Features and reboot when prompted. Once rebooted, install management utilities. Add Hyper-V Manager through RSAT or use Virt Manager for a familiar GUI. This gives you the ability to create and manage VMs. To finish, create your VM, open your manager, create a virtual machine, assign CPU cores, RAM, and a virtual disk. Choose Generation 1 for older OS or Generation 2 for newer. Configure networking. Use NAT for isolation or bridged networking for LAN access, and attach an ISO to install the guest OS. If things go wrong, first confirm virtualization is still enabled in BIOS, then disable Device Guard or Credential Guard if active. If VMs won't start, run bcdedit/set hypervisor launch type auto and reboot. That often resolves boot problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.